Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a world of effortless elegance with French tip press-ons. What you'll need is your French tip press-ons, of course, cuticle remover, nail dehydrator, top coat, nail glue, alcohol pads, cuticle pusher, and your cuticle oil. We're gonna start by prepping those nails by first applying your cuticle remover to your cuticles, allowing it to sit for a few seconds. Then you're gonna use your cuticle pusher to push those cuticles back and remove any excess skin. Now lightly buff the surface of your natural nails with your nail file. This creates a little bit of texture for the glue to grip onto. Now don't go too hard, just a little buffing is all you need. Then wipe away any dust with an alcohol pad. Now we're gonna match and size each press-on to each nail. After you've selected your press-ons for each nail, you want to file the back of the nail so that when you add the glue, it has a rough surface to adhere to. This has helped my press-ons to last much longer. Finally, apply a coat of nail dehydrator to each of your natural nails. This removes any remaining oils and moisture. This was my first time doing this, and I tell you, it really helped to make my press-ons last longer. Alrighty, so our nails are prepped and squeaky clean. Now for the exciting part, applying those beautiful French tips. Choose the correct size press-on for each of your nails. They should comfortably cover your entire nail bed without overlapping too much onto your skin. Apply a small, even amount of nail glue to the back of the press-on nails. You don't need a ton, just enough to cover the surface. Now align the press-on with your cuticle line and gently push it down firmly onto your natural nail. Hold it in place for 10 to 15 seconds to ensure a good bond. Work your way from the cuticle towards the free edge to avoid any air bubbles. Repeat this process for all 10 fingers. Take your time and make sure each press-on is securely attached. Instant French tip perfection. Now let's add some finishing touches to make them even better. If any of the press-ons are a little too long or the shape isn't quite right, you can gently file them using a nail file. File in one direction to avoid damaging the press-on. Now to seal everything in and add extra shine and durability, apply a generous coat of your favorite top coat all over the press-on nails, making sure to cover the entire surface including the free edge. And there you have it, gorgeous salon quality French tip nails in just a few minutes. Look at that. Now for a little bonus, these press-on have been on for about 2 weeks, and as you can see, I don't have much natural nail growth showing at the base, so we're going to keep these babies on for another week. But we're going to refresh them to make them look brand new without having to soak them off completely. For this refresh, you'll need French tip guides, especially if you're not a pro at creating French tips, your white nail polish or any color you prefer, your trusty top coat, and a nail hardener to apply to the base of our nails. It's optional to use a nail file machine, but you'll need a regular nail file. Since the cuticle area is looking pretty good, we won't need to touch this section. You want to use your electronic nail file to help reshape and sharpen up those edges on the press-ons. This is what's going to help to give it a fresh new look. Be careful not to file them down too far. Then you want to apply your nail hardener underneath each nail where the nail is exposed at the bottom of the press-ons. This will help to strengthen and protect your natural nails. Sorry I didn't get to show you this part. Now take your French tip guides and carefully position them just above the white tip of your press-on nails. Now using your white nail polish, carefully paint the exposed area of your press-ons. You might need 1 or 2 coats for full coverage. Let it dry completely. Once the white polish is completely dry, carefully peel off the French tip guides. So I want it to look, so I might redo this, and that one messed up, so I'm going to redo it. Apply a fresh coat of top coat over the entire nail, blending the new white polish with the existing French tip. This will give it a seamless, refreshed look. And there you have it, just like that, a complete guide to applying and refreshing our 2-week-old French tips look brand new again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more nail tutorials and beauty tips.